I have something similar. I had something similar. Which, speaking of, if you happen to find a small like hilt, you know, that has simple back gas on one end, don't press any buttons. Unless you want to, but I wouldn't. But you can if you find it. Please return it.
We will.
Thank you.
I got you.
I gotta go deal with something at the forge. Let's just say I was working on something, and if Gobber finds it, he's not going to be very happy with me. So I'm going to find that now, and I'll be back. If Toothless does anything bad, let me know.
We will.
Thank you.